So Paul was shot down, crashed, hit right on his butt, and he said he felt like this. He walked around with a migraine headache. And when that Chinese doctor helped him out with the pelvic floor work, he said he was bent over the table like this, and he went like that. It's like his head came out of his shoulders. And because the tailbone was tucked under. So when he grabbed the tailbone and pulled, he said like the pressure came off of him, the headache went away. So you have connective tissue from your pituitary gland right down to your tailbone. That's why when folks have scoliosis, this is the real problem with scoliosis.
Hey, I'm Brendan Rhodes. I'm the Director of Admissions here at CNS. If you think this is the kind of community that you want to be a part of, we're looking for passionate people like you. Go to our website, cns.edu, and apply today. We look forward to hearing from you.
The worse the curve is of the scoliosis, the more likely they are to have chiari malformation. Chiari malformation is where the brain's being pulled down through the foramen magnum, thank you, foramen magnum. So that's why you want to resolve scoliosis early. Part of that might be pelvic floor work.